When you're creating a Google form and you want to restrict the file size when someone uploads a file to you, here's how to do it. So in our case, we're getting sales pitches. We need either PDFs or presentations. And we're getting a brief pitch, but we want to actually have a file upload. We're going to click over here on the right where it says add question or a little plus sign. Here we're going to have upload, and we're going to select a file upload. Here we can also allow only specific file types if we want. We may be only wanting presentation or a PDF. Number of files, that could restrict your size if you do choose so. But the very specific item we're looking for is this maximum file size. Here we can select, just click on it, 10 megabytes, and we can now change it to 1 megabyte, 100 megabytes, 1 gigabyte, or 10 gigabytes. Now, I would suggest keeping it at 10 megabytes for anything that's even like PDFs or images. If you're looking for videos or there are some kind of files that have large images or videos inside them, so sometimes presentations have that, or even very large audio files. But anything like that, increase it to 100 megabytes or 1 gigabyte. The issue also will be, and something to think about, is that every file that's uploaded to this Google form will be in your Google Drive. So if you have any restrictions on your Google Drive size, make sure you don't allow more than 10 or 100 megabytes here, because you're going to be getting that limit really quickly. But also know that even hundreds of pages of PDFs in a PDF is going to be much less than 10 megabytes. That's how you restrict the file size upload when you're creating one in Google Forms.